कंटिन्यू को ऑप्शन आ रहा है तो Good afternoon, everybody. Sir, I know you all are in very hurry. You don't have time, but more people are joining us. So, though I wanted to start exactly at 3, so that we end up as soon as possible with all your queries on. So, I'm just waiting a few more delegates to join in. So let's wait for another 5 minutes, please. And you can always put your queries in chat box, please. Thank you. Sir, we are starting in another 2 minutes. At sharp 3:05, we'll start the meeting. Thank you very much. Thanks for your cooperation. It's 3:05 and let's start. I welcome everybody. And first of all, I'll start with a thanks note. Thanks for putting a trust in BT Address Group. And yes, we are trying our level best to provide you best of the services. You have been very cooperative. Like you are facing issues, yes, and we are trying to resolve those. But thank you very much that you are cooperating and yes, allowing us to provide our services at our place. Fine, sir. So the D-Day has reached and you have been using the software for quite some time. So yes, you have come across many queries and still there are many issues that you are facing. So let's take all those issues one by one, and I'll be just going through the software main part that we'll be requiring in next 1 week, and thereafter you can please raise your hand so that I can unmute you and you can take your query. And you can always put your query in the chat box also. Thank you. So I'll just share my screen. So I'll also share the checklist that I had sent yesterday to you. That is the most important that we have to work on. So, sir, as I told you at the start of the software, this figure is basically the fuel of the software. So more the number, the better results we have, the better analysis we have. So in my demo, I have 6,108 references, which I have received from my various associates. So for that, as I told you, these are the we'll create these through these groups. So I have added these groups and all groups have their references. I'll take one point here. Sir, please don't send WhatsApp booth messages from this panel because your friends are also here who are not your voters. They may be CA, but they may not be your voter. So in that case, they will receive 00 and you are wasting your WhatsApp number that you are sending. So don't send your booth detail messages from this panel. So I'll not go in deep with this group creation. You already know all this. I'll come straight. There's echo. Just a second, please. Okay. So, sir, second point. The checklist is, sir, you please ensure all your 3 WhatsApp channels, they are working on the election day or two days before. So please do not change number on 2nd, 3rd and 4th. So आप 2nd, 3rd और 4th को अपना नंबर ज्यादा चेंज नहीं करें. एटलीस्ट एक पैनल तो ऐसा रखें जो आपका स्टैंडर्ड हो और जो आपके नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, चेंज हो रहे हैं, आप वो एक नंबर जो है, जो आपका सबसे स्टेबल नंबर हो, प्लीज उसको आप यहाँ पर रखिए, सो दैट कि आपको वो स्टॉप ना हो. तो एटलीस्ट एक नंबर तो आप ऐसा रखें. नेक्स्ट इज, कुछ हमको व्हाट्सएप ड्राफ्ट मैसेजेस बनाने हैं कि किस किसने वोट नहीं करा है, उनसे अपील करने के लिए. देयर इज एन ऑप्शन, आगे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. देयर इज एन ऑप्शन जिसमें हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि आपको कैसे उन लोगों को आप मैसेज भेज सकते हैं, एंड दैट टू आर रेफरेंसेस. अब अगर हमारे किसी बूथ पर 500 मेंबर्स हैं और उसमें से मेरे 25 रेफरेंसेस हैं, उस 25 में से 12 लोगों ने वोट कर दिया है, तो सिर्फ हमारा फोकस होना चाहिए कि हम एटलीस्ट उन 13 लोगों को हम बुलाएं बूथ पर, सो दैट दे कम एंड वोट. तो उन 13 लोगों को उस वक्त क्या हमको मैसेज भेजना है, क्या व्हाट्सएप करना है, वो हम यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए आप अपना पहले मैसेज ड्राफ्ट करके रख सकते हैं. अभी मैं इसमें एक सर MIS लेता हूं, जिसमें MIS पे बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आ रही हैं. तो ये हमारा MIS है. प्लीज यहाँ पर ये देखिए, एक ये ऊपर का पार्ट है और एक ये नीचे का पार्ट है. सो दीज आर द प्रिंट फील्ड्स कि हमको क्या क्या प्रिंट में लेना है, और ये हमारा फिल्टर क्राइटेरिया है. सो फिल्टर क्राइटेरिया में हम लोग एसोसिएट ईयर, बूथ नंबर सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट इस वक्त बूथ नंबर है, COP, जेंडर, पिन कोड, रिलीजन, वोटिंग स्टेटस. ये वोटिंग स्टेटस हमारा 2018 वाले का है. और ये बूथ चेंज स्टेटस, जो मेरे से अभी आप लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि हमें उन लोगों का कैसे पता लग सकता है कि किस किसने अपना चेंज करवाया है. तो जो चेंज हुआ है वो यहाँ या तो पोस्टल में कोई शिफ्ट हुआ है, या हमारे आउटसाइड रीजन, या फिर विद इन द रीजन. आपको किसकी लिस्ट चाहिए जो हमारे चेंज हुए हैं, आपको वो यहाँ से पता लग जाता है. जैसे मैं अगर WIRC की बात करता हूँ, तो WIRC में 37 हमारे पोस्टल में कन्वर्ट हुए हैं, 902 हमारे आउटसाइड रीजन. तो जब आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके आपको क्या क्या आपने अपना ये करना है, और फिर आप यहाँ से अपना जनरेट रिपोर्ट और जो व्हाट्सएप आपको पता है वो सारा. एक क्वेश्चन एक ये मेरे को पूछा गया है कई बार कि मेरे रेफरेंसेस में किसने अपना बूथ चेंज किया है. फाइन, आप यहाँ पर ये सब सेलेक्ट कीजिए और यहाँ पर आप अपना ग्रुप सेलेक्ट कीजिए. तो हमारे सारे ग्रुप्स यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट हो गए, एंड देन यू कैन जनरेट रिपोर्ट. तो हमारे इन ग्रुप्स में से अगर किसी ने अपना पोस्ट ये चेंज किया है, तो हमारे को वहां पे वो रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी. सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन ये है कि किन किन बूथ पर हमारे कौन कौन से रेफरेंसेस हैं. अगेन तो इसमें हम लोग अगेन अपना यहाँ पे सब ग्रुप सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, और मेरे को ये इन बूथ पर देखना है कि मेरे कौन कौन से रेफरेंसेस हैं. तो अगेन हम यहाँ से अपना रिपोर्ट जनरेट कर सकते हैं, और इसमें से अगर मेरे कोई हैं तो मेरे 63 हैं। तो आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर उनकी वो आ रही है और ये बूथ आ गए और ये इनके ग्रुप सामने आ रहे हैं। अगेन मैं इनको यहाँ से अपना व्हाट्सएप वगैरह भेज सकता हूँ। सो माय पॉइंट इज कि एज ऑफ नाउ हमारा ये MIS जो है, दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पेज, जहाँ से आपके मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेरीज आपकी यहाँ से सॉल्व हो जाती हैं, जो कि मोस्टली आपके या तो बूथ नंबर पे कि मेरे को अपने सारे बूथ्स पे देखना है कि किन किन बूथ पर कौन कौन है। सो यस, आप यहाँ से उस बूथ की इंफॉर्मेशन डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। आपको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करनी है वो आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं। तो जहां से आपको ये MIS का, आई होप इट इज क्लियर। सर अब नेक्स्ट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट। एक सर यहाँ पर ये ग्रुप वाइज रिपोर्ट है, आप प्लीज जिसको भी आप भेज रहे हैं कि मेरे को बूथ वाइज मुझे बूथ रिपोर्ट भेजनी है सिर्फ अपने रेफरेंसेस पर, तो वो आप यहाँ से भेजें, क्योंकि जो ग्रुप है दिस इंक्लूड्स योर वोटर्स एंड योर नॉन वोटर, मतलब जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स या रेफरेंसेस हैं। बट यहाँ पर जो है ये प्योर, इस जगह पे जो भी रिपोर्ट आएगी दैट विल बी ओनली एंड ओनली ऑफ योर वोटर्स। यहाँ पर आपकी जो फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव जो आपको पहले किसी ने रेफर किए थे वो नहीं आएंगे, वो आपको यहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके वोटर्स आएंगे। तो हम यहाँ से वो करके भेज सकते हैं। एक चीज सर मैं और बताना चाहूंगा कि आप प्लीज इस टाइप के ना बहुत बड़े बड़े हमने ग्रुप्स बना रखे हैं और उनके पेरेंट ग्रुप भी नहीं बना रखे हैं। तो अगर हो सके तो उनको पेरेंट और चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप में सेट करें। अब इसमें जैसे है तो मैंने अगर एक ग्रुप को सिलेक्ट करा तो इन सबको मेरी इंफॉर्मेशन चली जाएगी, ठीक है। बट बहुत बहुत जगह पे ना हमने पेरेंट नहीं बना रखा, हमने बिना पेरेंट के हमने 25 30 50 100 ग्रुप्स हमने बना रखे हैं। तो प्लीज उनको पेरेंट चाइल्ड में करिए, सो दैट कि हम अगर एक पे क्लिक करते हैं तो उनके सब फोल्डर्स में ऑटोमेटिकली उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाती है। नेक्स्ट सर, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो हम लोग अपने इलेक्शन वाले डे हम लोग यही यूज करने वाले हैं। इसमें अभी इनिशियल फेज में हम लोग ये बूथ मास्टर यूज करेंगे। सो बूथ मास्टर का मतलब ये है कि इसमें हमारे सारे बूथ आ जाते हैं। सो ये डेटा हमारा जैसे नॉट का डमी डेटा है, तो N001234 सब आ जाते हैं। तो अब इसमें आप ये देख रहे हैं कि अबोहर का बूथ है ये, तो अबोहर में 56 है, बट यहाँ पर कुछ ट्रांसफर हुए हैं। तो वो ट्रांसफर वो ये लोग हुए हैं जो जो एक दिल्ली से अबोहर हुए हैं, फजलका से 18 हैं, गुड़गांव से एक है, गुरुग्राम से एक है, लुधियाना से 2 हैं। तो फाइन, ये सब हमारे अबोहर बूथ पर हैं। इसी तरह से हम लोग आगे देखते हैं। तो आपको अगर जब आप अबोहर की लिस्ट निकालेंगे या फिर जब आप MIS से जाकर करेंगे कि भाई मेरे को सिर्फ N001 की लिस्ट चाहिए, तो आप यहाँ देखेंगे कि अबोहर में ये लोग भी आ रहे हैं। सो ये वो लोग हैं जो हमारे ट्रांसफर होकर अबोहर में आए हैं। बट ही बेसिकली, आकाश बेसिकली बिलोंग्स टू फजिल्का। बूथ मास्टर से हमें ये हो जाता है कि भाई हमारे को कई बार ये पता करना होता है कि ये सिटी पर्टिकुलरली किस बूथ पर आ रहा है, तो वो हमें यहाँ से पता लग जाएगा। आप यहाँ से सर्च करके यू कैन फाइंड आउट। इसके बाद सर मैंने बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में फाइन, सॉरी। सो as I told you earlier, the please do add the mobile number of all the groups. Like if this AA test was given to me by Somebody, this Amar gave me references, so I have taken his mobile number. This is very important. Now you will understand why this is important. So on this booth list, please try to understand this particular part, header. So the header says we have total 64,574 voters in NIRC. I mean, this is a hypothetical, so don't think, I know it is 65,000 plus voters in NIRC, but fine. So 64,574 voters, of which 1381 has voted. And out of this, my 6,108 here, only 164 has voted. So that means out of 1381, 164 from my references has voted. So my concern would be like, I need to get this figure equivalent to this. Similarly, it comes here when I'm talking of Abohar booth. So it says at Abohar booth from the institute, 83 voters are at Abohar booth, and of these 83, 4 are my references. Means out of these 6108, 4 are at Abohar booth N001. This is irrespective whether they are from Abohar or whether they have come from some other place to this place. I mean, I showed you a Fazilka. So maybe the Fazilka member is your reference. So it doesn't matter. So what we see is like he is your reference. And this 12 means at Abohar booth, out of 83, 12 has voted. And of those 12 voted, only one of our references has voted. So my concern is get these rest 3 people come and vote, please. The same thing stands for rest of the booths as well. Now, the strategy part of the bifurcation of the 6108 comes here. The 4 plus 35 plus 24 plus 28 plus 6 plus 19 plus 10 plus 8 plus 14. This is all possible just because how many references you have added, and I have always been saying this is the fuel of the software. Perfect. So based on these numbers, you can create your strategy, like who is going to be the booth manager at this particular booth. So suppose at this particular booth, Taleb Institute, Delhi, there are 423 my references. Of these, only 11 is done. So I'll be contacting my booth manager to please come, you please get in touch with the remaining people who has not voted, who has not come and voted. So we have created the booth manager part. So you make one booth manager at every booth. Make sure his number is on WhatsApp, because you will be sending WhatsApp to the booth manager on this number. So if I say like at Bahadurgarh, I want to put Singh with mobile number is, save, no need of email ID. So here it comes, and when I go to booth list, I see this Kirti Singh. Now at this Bahadurgarh booth, I want him to tell. Now here comes your back office work. I don't think that people on at site, they do this work, because they have to do meet people, get them to voting. So your back office can say, so when they click here, I said like you should have at least one of your number working properly, tried and tested. Just click here and send. So when you send this message, they receive message something like this. So at your, the booth manager will receive like booth number this, booth name this, and here comes the statistics also. And these three members have not yet voted. His MRN is this, Chandar Mohan, his mobile number, and he is known to us through this group. If there are multiple groups, so this will come as group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 written over here. So now when you see this on your mobile, so he can click directly from here and talk to Chandar Mohan, like Mr. Chandar Mohan, you are connected with us through this group, and you are, please, I am calling from this booth, you are please requested to come and cast your vote. So this kind of information will be sent on WhatsApp to the booth manager. If I want to see the list of who all has voted and who has not voted, so we come to this part. So it says the booth name, all the statistics comes here. 83 out of 12 is voted, 1 out of 4 has voted. So I want to see my group who has not voted. So these three are the ones who has not voted. I asked you if we can send, yes, when I click here WhatsApp to member, so it will ask you like what template. Initially I told you you have to create the template which you will send to the members, to your references who has not voted. And again, if you want to send to those who have voted, nobody cares for them now, post voting. So, and if you want, like I want to send to everybody who has not voted, so 83 minus 12, yes, you can send to all also. And from here WhatsApp to manager, so from here you can again send to manager. So this difference of 3 will go automatically, the details of these 3 will go to the booth manager. I hope things are clear in this. Please put it in chat. We are looking at your chat separately as well. I'll take your chat at the end. Fine, sir. So, and since we will be updating this database in almost 2 hours, we'll let you know more precisely once we get more information. But just in case, I talk to me being the booth manager, just in case. So if I pick here, okay, so he is voted. So 13 now. What it was 12, it becomes 13. And if I say non-voted of my group, I say Chandramohan says, me, I have already voted. Fine, sir. So you can do from here also. So you can also do, and yes, we will be updating this from our side time to time. So here I again tell you, like you have to create booth manager and their phone number. Regarding this booth manager, if suppose somebody sometimes there is multiple booths at one location, so sir, write number at repeat that name again, and I would suggest like you put booth manager at all the booth, so that somebody at least get the information there. Here is group wise voting. Fine. Sir, here comes the value of these mobile numbers, which I asked to take the name, the mobile number of the group. Fine. If you say like my group is ABC, that is an organization or anything, you maybe you have a mobile number. If you don't have, it's okay. But when you have this mobile number, so like if AAA is my friend and I have to send him the message. So from when I click this, so we will be sending him the name of these two members. So the message would go something like this. For those two, MRN, voter number, name, mobile number, booth name, address and timing. And this could be of any length. So this is what he gets: MRN, voter number, name, mobile, the booth number and everything. So in that case, because this particular reference was given to me from this particular member, so he can call Anamika Chanda at this number and tell her that your booth number is this and these details. You can please come and vote. Just in case you think we can add any more information or need some change, you are most welcome, please. And when I see this information, I want to see like who has not voted. So I can click here and I get the information. So this is how we get the information. And suppose if Arpit Goel says, I have already voted, okay, you can put it here. Why you are doing this? Because you are more closer to your voter. And when you do this, this information passes across your group. Your group, this information will pass. And again, from here, you can send message to, now Akshay Agarwal is the only one left. So you can send message to Akshay Agarwal from here. So it goes only to non-voted members. So no information will be going ever to the voted members. And if you want to change, so you can change from here also. You don't have to every time. You don't have to go back and then check. So booth master, booth manager, as I said, this is very, very important. You will have to do that. Booth list, I told you, you'll get the list of booths there. Voters allocated on that booth, references on that booth, and the corresponding booth manager. Then the voting status on that booth with respect to booth and references. Booth details, as I said, send the list on WhatsApp to booth manager. So that's why I said like booth manager information is very important. If the same booth manager is at 3 locations, so he'll get 3 different messages telling him, okay, these are not voted members on booth this, on this and this, so differently. He'll not be getting the consolidated report of all the 3 booths. Group-wise report can see the voting status of group. So this is very important report for your 3rd and 4th night. So we will be updating it at day end. So you can take out the report and then again you can work on this basis. Get the group details again. I have said. So these all are the information that you will be working that day. Now, last but not least, we have to keep our team ready. So these things are available only on mobile app. First, mailing WhatsApp group list. So here, what I mean. So what I mean is, if you want, like you have 20 so if you have 20 references and you want to send message to all the reference list, like I gave you reference 15 references today you want to send me the list. I said I don't remember मैंने कौन से references दिए थे. So you would like to send me the list of those 15. So first thing is you come here, you download the list, and then you send the list. Now this thing is automated when it comes to mobile. I'm just sharing my mobile screen. So this is my mobile screen. Fine. So I see the groups. Click here. You get these information. Send email. Sorry. So this list automatically connects. You can just write the recipient email ID. All you have to do is write their email ID and you are good to go. So this is one thing. Second is on election day, we'll be working more on these voting and voting report. So we have enabled this. So what I showed you there, it is exactly the same out here also. So the booth manager and everything comes here also. So I can send message from mobile also. Although I don't expect like booth manager working these like sending messages on and all, but this should be the back office operation. The back office should be doing this to get messages to the booth manager. So, so this is like here also I can see I want to see only my references. So this is best used by a booth manager to see like who all have not voted. He can see there and he can call from here only. So when I click on Kaushal, this number 96, when I clicked on this number, so KB Jam, so this call actually went to him. So you can call directly from here also, the booth manager. And just in case you want to change, so he can change directly from here. So here comes the N019. Rest you are working here. I think I am done. You people are in a hurry, or just like let me know just anything uh, you can please raise your hand, and uh, I'll take your queries, sir. I'll be taking the queries. Can we send what's sir, if you can write down your name also, I think it will be better for me to uh, explain you these questions. So can we send WhatsApp message to their particular referred members? Because if we send a message to one of the member, he will get all the members details who have not voted, including the member who are not in his reference list. Surname. See, there are only two type of messages that will go. So all list will go only to the booth manager, and for if we want to send to members, so it will go one by one to them. So I don't know if I have four non-voted members, so four different messages will go from the software. Somebody said like we missed some part of this last yes, this will go online on YouTube. So after an hour, I suppose this will be live on YouTube. Can you please repeat how to change to voted if database not updated? Perfect, sir. So now here, like I see this booth list, and I am at the Ambala booth. So I click this Ambala booth. If I had not updated and you are at ground level and you say you had a talk with Mr. Naresh Kwan, he say, I have voted, you do it, sir. So now he is marked. Like it is when it is 38 and 14, and I click here, so it becomes 39. And since he was not a reference, so only this number increases. I hope this is clear. Can we send a voter message from mobile? Yes, you can do that, sir. How to check list of CS in specific booth? Sir, I told you this is possible from MIS report. When we take this MIS report and you want, like I'm just taking two, on booth number 2, so you can take out the list of CAs at this particular booth. Can we WhatsApp to members and reference person plus booth manager? Yes, I showed you. This is what you are sending. To the booth manager. Fine. And I had shown you like how can we send message to our referenced non-voted members. For that, I had requested you to please create a template in WhatsApp WhatsApp dark messages so that you can send message to these three members who are our reference and who has not yet voted. How can we view booth managers? Possibly this was raised before I showed. So here is the list where you can create booth manager and you can see the list of booth manager. Link of that YouTube, yes, I'll share that later on. Okay, can I have my all groups contact in one list? Honestly, I'm not very clear about this question, but I think this question is related with these group wise voting report. So your all contacts in one list comes here only, and you get the list also from here only, including voters or non-voters. That's the addition. Yes, again, you get the list of all your contacts here, and that includes your voting and non-voting vote. And so post this, there is no other question. If anybody has a question, uh, you can please raise your hand, and how you are going to update in 2 hours. See, we like it is just an estimated time. What the institute provides, that is our reference, because we cannot put our representative on all on all the booths. So whatever the institute will be providing, and that provides in almost 1 hour or so. So once they provide the list, we will be updating our database in next 15 minutes. Is there a way we can add reference name as well? So for example, A has referred B. Can we create message and list? Yes, sir. There is an option. Now this question basically is when we put dear Sharad, you have been referred by Amit. So we have been creating these kind of WhatsApp messages where we are writing group name. So the group name, when the message goes to these 39 people, and I have written #G#, so the message would go like, dear Sharad, you have been referred by Rahul Jindal. So Rahul Jindal is basically the group name. So whenever you want to have the reference name, put #G#. If one member is added in two groups, then WhatsApp message go twice. Sir, as I told earlier, if you are sending from group from here, it will go twice, yes. But if you are sending from group wise report, and I take only this, So even if this A1 is referred by is in three groups, 1, 2, 3, Akshay Agarwal in two groups. So when you send WhatsApp from here, it will go only once. It will not go thrice. Can these reports uh, be exported to Excel as well? All reports are exportable to Excel as well. If Institute South site is down on same day, we are handicapped, sir. Sorry. In case we have a query later on, to whom we can contact. So you have all our contact numbers, and I'll share um, the list of numbers with whom you can contact on that day also. Excel can be exported as group and how? Sorry, I'm not clear, sir. Sorry. Excel can be exported as group. See, if groups you can create, you can download. Like if I see only this A2 show, and now A2 has only two members, so you can export to Excel. I think if this answers your question. What if main number stop working? We will be working that day, so main number should not. That's why I said, see, numbers are stopping and you are facing problem just because they are getting heavy and loaded. If you take any number, either you deload your mobile so that your mobile is not heavy. In that case, um, uh, you will not be facing such kind of problems. So we will have to create different groups for all these references. Yes, sir. How many messages we can send in one day? Regarding WhatsApp, no, WhatsApp has not given any standard formula or any code, and don't take my word, but yes, based on my experience, but please don't take my words. So what I say is, see, I have categorized numbers in three groups. If your number is very much circulated, so more circulated means more like more numbers you can send. So in that case, I say like you can send something around 2000 per day. If your number is quite good circulated, then it goes to 1000. And if you have been active in your region or branch or something like that, then it goes to 5000. But in any case, we don't take any responsibility if the number blocks. This is what I'm saying from start. But yes, people have been sending 8 to 9000 per day from their number. Since we have given you three channels to everyone, so you can make use, add your numbers on all the three channels, and please send what maximum you can send. Sir, if parent is not there, then how the message sent? Sorry, I didn't get it. Okay, now if you can please raise your hand so that I can unmute, and uh, without disclosing your identity, I hope you will take your question. Okay, ma'am, I have unmuted you.
Yes, Sharadji, this is Hemasha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, my question is how many logins at a single time a single person can have on a number of system?
Okay, Ma'am, for login, so like we have given you 10 licenses to work from mobile.
Okay.
So 10 licenses to work from mobile, and for web, there is no limitation from single ID. Everybody can work.
Okay. And my second question, sir, is it possible to avoid feeding a contact appearing in the reference list if it is appearing on multiple reference lists?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get it. Come again.
Like supposing I have received reference list from 5-6 contacts of the same person. So it would be multiple recording the same entry in 6 reference lists. So is there any system to remove the duplication?
Ma'am, see, you can see my screen now. So this is the place where you collect the references.
Okay,
From group management, you collect the references, but
right.
when you want to work, you
Yeah.
please work on this group wise report.
Okay,
Work on this group wise report and collect references from this group.
okay. So the group wise reports will avoid this duplication of entries.
There will not be any duplicacy anyway.
Okay.
Like even if I select all and then I ask to show, just a second, I'll just show you one thing.
Yeah.
So message भेजा है, scroll उससे zoom yeah, sorry. I'll show you like how you will be creating your associates for election. Like we have given you 10 references. I'll show you how you create references.
Yeah.
And ma'am, related to you, like here I have selected all, and I asked if I say show, so it will show all references. And if I calculate, these are 6,108 rows. And even though this AA1 is referred by 3, there is no duplication.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else? I was expecting lot many questions. There's just one more thing that I have to show you.
Do we have an option of auto generation of reports, say every 60 minutes or say every 90 minutes?
Ma'am, you can auto generation means what?
Auto generation every 60 minutes or 90 minutes if we set in that option.
There is nothing auto, ma'am.
Okay.
You got to do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sharad. Hi. Sharad, I don't know if I missed that part, but I think we were speaking. Is there a possibility of us updating the voted, unvoted status on our own? And is there a separate sort of situation we can create of our own, wherein on one end we can see how many has been confirmed by institute, which will of course be updated by your team. But then on parallel, we can create a separate sort of list which we can update on our own and see basis the feedback of our polling agents, how many have voted and not voted. And then we can, of course, at the end of the our re-verify and see if there is any variance in both the reports.
Yes, sir, it is there. No? I showed you.
Yeah, I might have missed it. Yeah, so can you please?
Yeah,
tell me
I
again?
just I'll come to that part, sir.
Uh,
Just a second, please. So give me 2 minutes, please.
uh,
Sir, that I'll just take on. So you can, if there are any other question, yes, we can take. Yes, Mr. Sham, please. Sir, anything else?
no, I think that's fine, Sharad. If you can just brief on that one, and I don't know, once you brief on that one, we'll probably also, I would probably also want to understand if there is an option to do a sort of bulk upload from backend of like say 100 MRNs were quoted. So I think once you take me through that process, maybe there'll follow up question on that.
Sir, okay, I'll take you offline. Possibly that's a lack of training in early days. So let's take it offline.
Sure, sure, not a problem.
Fine, because people have been uploading and
No, bulk upload. I'm saying bulk. No, not bulk uploading of MRN. I'm saying bulk uploading of voting status on the day of election.
no, sir, there is nothing called as bulk uploading on D-Days.
No. So I'm saying if I say do put in 100 MRNs who have voted from a specific polling booth, and if I upload on a specific Excel format like we have on the group thing that we have, is there a way that the system picks up all the MRNs who have voted from a specific polling booth, or do I need to manually click on the people who have voted?
Sir, that's a nice query. Yes, we will incorporate that in the software. We'll incorporate that in the software. So that is taken, sir. We'll incorporate that.
Yeah, okay. But I think on the other part, which is how do I do a parallel thing of my updating, is something maybe you'll take it separately. I assume that's gonna happen. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get it, sir.
I was saying you will probably separately tell me how can I parallelly maintain a separate status of my own, right? Of
You
the
mean,
polling. Sure, am I clear in the question?
no, sir. I think not very clear, but yes, this is
Okay,
a very.
let me repeat the question before you respond to that. So my question is that there is one update of polling status that you guys will upload basis whatever institute is updating on an hourly basis, right? So if I want to maintain a parallel status of my own basis the feedback that I get from the polling agents who are based out of different polling booths, is there a way for me to maintain that status? I think you said yes, we can do that in parallel, right? So I'm assuming you have already taken that up, and if I want to, I have missed that part, so I might have joined late or not. So if we can do that, then I want to secondly see if there is a provision for me to do a maybe bulk upload of 100 MRNs that I get feedback from my polling agent that these 100 people have voted, and we can change that status. So I was just referring to that specific point only. That's the follow-up question to that one.
Sir, agreed. We in that case, like we do for bulk upload process, we will be adding one more option of bulk upload voting status. So, like if you get a list of 100 MRN from your agents at various booths, so you will be able to upload those MRN in the software, and we will mark all the 100 as marked, even though from Brainsoft we will be doing it, let's say at 2, and if you get it at 1:30, yes, you will upload your list by 1:30, and we'll be doing we will be overwriting it by 2.
Okay, understood.
You will get that.
That's the point. Yeah, that's perfect. That makes sense. That's fine.
Thank you.
Sure.
Mr. Sham, you had raised your hand.
अरे रुक गया भाई.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Just Fine, I'll related to associates, I'll let you know later on. So is there any other query? I don't think there is any other query left. Please unmute yourself. Only unmuted. Is it possible to avoid feeding in a reference if appearing in multiple lists as multiple messages calls should be avoided? So that is already done. Like you go to group wise report and everything over there is unique. So there is no repetition. Sir, I think all questions are answered. Fine, then we'll call off and then we can take the queries one on one. I hope this is a very informative session and all the best to you. The only thing that most important that is um, um, we keep our messages on and we keep looking at our references. Let's work on references. Still, if you are behind your schedule in uploading your messages, if you have one file, yes, you can provide us that file, just one file, and I'll help you in uploading that file. There's again a question, can we send bulk WhatsApp message to non-voters? Yes, we will be sending only to non-voters. There is no option that you can send to the ones who has voted until unless when I showed you, you have clicked on voted, it will not work. Only when you click on non-voted members, the message will go only to those non-voted members. Sir, if you are saying we are not able to add numbers and if these numbers you mean for WhatsApp, yes, that's the channel we have given you 3 channels each panel. The 3 channels basically stand for 2. Normally, the candidate himself has 2 mobile numbers, and third mobile is for the the visitor that he comes. Like if I comes from Nagpur to Delhi, so and you want me to send your messages to Nagpur, so you connect my number in the software and then message goes. Fine, sir. Let's call off and all the best. Just let us know whenever we are required. Yes, we are working day in and day out to resolve all your issues. Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you and all the best to you.